My favorite sanding block. I got it from Peachtree Woodworking, but I'll tell you, it works with the Merca Abernet sanding disc, which is the mesh, my favorite sanding pads. You put it on there. You use this for sanding. As you know, I have a Merca sander and it's dustless. And I use that the most. But sometimes you just need a quick little touching up. This works well. Sometimes when I'm spraying, I use a high grit, like a 320 or 600 or something like that, depending on what I'm doing. And I just need to just lightly scratch the surface for the next coat. Pull this out. Very convenient. Very inexpensive too. I think these are like under 10 bucks. Probably around $5 or a little over $5. I'll leave the information in the description. But these are very nice. I highly recommend them. It's a quick video, but in case you're not hip to this, this is something you want to get. It may not have been front of mind, but now you know. It's a very good product. I highly recommend it. The only downside is dust. So you want to use some type of, N95 mask or respirator or something like that when you're using this. Or have some airflow away from you. So you're blowing the dust away when you're working. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to be notified when new content is dropped on this channel, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and drop a comment down below.